here! It's here! Frido, we got you a present.
It's here.
We got you a present.
With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now.
Hey Lab family, welcome back to our channel. So we went ahead and bought 30 cat toys for our cat Frido, who's currently investigating the package, for $10 on Amazon. And now we're going to surprise him with all of the toys, and he's going to go absolutely batshit crazy just for all of the amazing toys we're going to show him. So let's go.
Are you making me a mood?
Oh, what's in there?
Honestly, I thought the bag was going to be bigger.
Yeah, me too. Wow.
What is it?
What's
No,
in
not
there?
this. Of course, cats.
Of course he loves the bag.
No, because this is what you need to look at. Okay. Oh my god, just move this over. Here.
Okay. Let's put this somewhere else.
Oh, it comes to the bag, but like apart. So you can travel with all your toys.
Wow. International Gato?
We have a weird stick.
What's that? Is that a weird stick? Oh, he loves
The
it.
approves. Number 2, we have a stick
You're a wizard, Frido.
with a bell.
Wow. What's that? And this is why we don't have children.
And then, no. Yes, one of these, but the
little
one that moves,
fish.
but this one doesn't move. I think. I don't
Yeah.
know. It has something.
It's already dead for ya. Look, it's a
What is
little
he?
fish. Oh, little fish.
Let's put it on top of you. He likes that.
He's so fat,
Number
that fat
2.
boy.
What's this? Oh, these are the chewing sticks or something like that. Oh, they're like tiny wooden sticks.
Wooden stick? Just what he's always wanted. Oh, he loves it.
Okay.
Oh wow. It's like Christmas.
Then we have.
Cat's Christmas.
Oh, I think this is the rest of them.
Oh my god. Oh my god. So this is.
Tiny mouse, look.
Oh. So this is Frido's play area now, right?
Yep. This is really cute.
The room with the low lamp that I always bang my head on. Oh. So cute.
I think he likes the. Oh. Different tiny balls. What is these? Oh. Look. And
He
then
loves his fish. Good boy.
a tunnel. He has one tunnel and it's upstairs, so we might connect the two of them.
Oh.
What's this, mi amor? Oh, he's playing with the mouse.
Oh.
Look at him.
So cute.
Look, Frido.
Wow.
Mi amor.
Look at that boy. Frido, look. What's in there? Look. Come through here. Look. Oh, what's in there? Some dangly balls. And this is why we don't buy you expensive
Yeah.
things, young man. What's that in here?
Just keep throwing mouses. Oh, there's a lot of tiny mouses here. Mouses? Mice?
Mice.
Mice.
Misses.
Mices. mouses.
Oh yeah.
I think he likes them.
Kill it dead.
And so, yours.
That was what, $10?
$10, yeah.
Wow.
That's really, really cool.
He's gonna love the bag more than that.
Yeah, he's happy.
You know what? I'm gonna bring the bag out from the bathroom and see if he plays with that more. Look. Play with it. Which will he play with the most?
That's it.
Look, straight for the bag.
Now he's playing with the sticks. I think he liked the sticks. Oh,
Oh, he loves the sticks.
he does?
Oh, so cute.
We are so cheap with Frido.
Yeah,
Just that he really doesn't like the expensive toys.
exactly.
Like the remote control mouse and stuff like that. He doesn't even
He
play
doesn't bother
it.
with it, does he?
Alright, Frido, this is your Christmas and previous birthdays
Because we forgot. We're bad parents.
Are you serious? Good boy, Mamos. Oh, I am so happy. We were literally waiting for this all day.
All day. I was waiting for it all week. Quick, Mummy's gone. Let's get all the beer. Let's have a boys' night.
Of course, he's going to go with the stick.
Mm-hmm.
And we could have just got like
A pencil.
wooden sticks from outside. But no, the most expensive stick in the world.
Exactly.
$10 for one stick.
Never mind all the other toys. He loves the stick.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, you're such a bad mom.
I'm not. I'm a really good mom.
A good cat mom. Oh, he loves it again.
Sorry, it's just that Santa got delayed.
Yes, Santa got delayed and he was too busy cleaning himself
Yeah.
to be able to give you the presents.
No.
Yes. Yes.
Good boy. Oh. Are you done?
You done?
He kept playing for what, like 1 hour?
Like 2 hours. He's crazy boy. Anyway. Oh, so cute. Well. Oh, little boy. Well, anyway, life family, hopefully you've enjoyed this little video with our...
I don't want to show my
precious
face
little
because I didn't got ready, so bye.
We don't show Frido enough, do we? Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. Stop it, boy!
Close the video.
Go ahead and subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Baby,